In this video, I will show you how to add Favicon to your Shopify store. Once the icon is uploaded, it's going to be visible next to your store name in the browser tab right in here. And for the purpose of this example, I'm using Dawn theme. So at first, let's log into Shopify admin account and then select online store. Now locate your active theme, in my case, it's Dawn version 15.2.0, and then select customize. Once the editor loads, on the left, look for the gear icon, which is theme settings, and then look for the logo section. Go ahead and expand it, and then look for the Favicon image section, and then press select. If you already have an existing logo, you can try using it as a Favicon icon. Just keep in mind it's going to be scaled down to 32 by 32 pixels. Alternatively, go to Google and type free Favicon generator, and you can use one of the existing services to create one yourself. As in my case, I already have one generated, so let me just go back to the Shopify, and let's upload it from my desktop. And here's the sample Favicon which I just uploaded. It's 32 by 32 pixels PNG format. Now make sure it's selected and then select done. Now let's save the changes. Now let me go back to my website. Let's try refreshing the homepage. And as you can see, the Favicon is now displayed as the red circular shaped logo in the browser tab. So as usual, I hope you found this video helpful. And for more Shopify tutorials, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.